Alright, good day everyone. This is Bruce Lee Bear Aviation Cessna 152 Golf Zulu Whiskey India at the St. Thomas Flight Center. We have Captain Mitchell Barden with us today.
Can you hear us?
It's gonna be, yes, it's gonna be an open flight today. No plans, just gonna go up in the air to get him an hour of flying and we'll be back. We don't even know where we're going. That's the fun part of it. Have the map open and I'm looking at the west side in our VNC. So we'll see. It's all, I mean, everything is under the discretion of the captain, so fingers crossed on us coming back on ground.
Alright, we'll work on our map reading then.
Okay.
We'll go up and I'll fly out to a point and then you find me another point and then I'll fly to that and then you find me another point and we'll work on it, just finding things on the map.
That would be lovely because that's going to help me for my flight test too. Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
Might be a little bit easier for you to get better at that when you're not actually flying the plane.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Flight instruments set. That-ish.
Over the airport, joining the mid-left downwind for 27, St. Thomas traffic.
Is the Elvis
It's no. Okay. Windsock and, what do you call it?
What do you mean?
Field elevation. That's all you need.
Right. 200.
There we go.
Wait.
Check. Throttle 1000. And by radio. Where's the wind coming from? Alright. St. Thomas traffic, Zulu Whiskey India is taxiing. Oh wait, is Bravo closed?
I'm not sure. Do you see anything that says it's closed?
St. Thomas traffic, Zulu Whiskey India is taxiing Bravo.
Press radio check, please.
Yeah, this is...
Oh yeah, looks like it's closed, man, right? Yeah.
Thank you, maintenance 1. And Golf Foxtrot Tango Yankee on main apron taxiing to Alpha Roanoke area, St. Thomas traffic.
Maybe you should...
There you go, yeah, and that's going to Alpha.
So yeah,
Fox Tango Yankee, this is Zulu Whiskey India. Is Bravo closed today?
Affirmative. Bravo is closed, so we'll be using Alpha whole day.
Affirmative. Are you just going to backtrack 09 then?
Yes. If someone's behind me, then we'll basically exit on 1533 and then continue backtracking for Alpha.
Affirmative.
So, even on the windsock, it's barely wind, but we'll still see it's one favors over headwind if at all. Buddy, do you want to skip the run-up checklist and get out of FTY, or what's the plan?
No, we'll let him go first.
Okay, sure. Cracking the joke. Wasn't quite a joke.
I don't skip the run-up, that's sure as shit.
Yep.
Not after, area, front, clear, back, windows closed.
I'm holding it until we are backtracking. It's hot and humid, dude.
Yeah, no, just to close it for the run-up. Then we'll open her back up again, I don't mind. Brakes have fuel valve on.
St. Thomas traffic, Colonel Golf Oscar, Zulu Mike is 5 miles to the northeast. We'll be flying over the field, join the mid-left downwind for 27, St. Thomas traffic.
Dude, it's not a 172, but you have to grab the... Oh, interesting. Bit different. Back to charging. Pretty subtle there, the drop here.
Circuit breaker's good. 0, flight instruments. Check.
Don't want to do a soft fuel takeoff?
Check. Flight instrument. Timer's locked. On max both. Oil temperature, pressure, both happy. Hold in. On, seatbelts on. Alright. Might just we'll see what a NEF does. We might just take off 27 if we think the wind's not really very strong at all.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we'll be taking off 27 or 09 depending on what NF wants to do here in front of us.
St. Thomas traffic. Oscar Zulu Mike is over the field, joining mid-left downwind 27.
There you go, 27 it is. So we'll be taking off 27. Engine failure on the takeoff roll. Got the engine and get off the runway. Engine failure below 1,000 feet. Land straight ahead, above 1,000 feet, near a suitable field.
At your discretion.
Word.
You ready to do an engine failure in the circuit if you need to? Or like to mitigate that?
Pardon?
Are you ready to do to take control if there's an engine failure in the circuit, or during takeoff?
Oh, I have control.
Okay, sure. That's all I need to know.
St. Thomas traffic, Cessna Golf Foxtrot Tango Yankee, lining up
window again if you want.
27 for left-hand circuit, St. Thomas traffic.
Doing soft field.
Soft field? Sure.
No, he is. Look, you see the way he has the back pressure on his tail and then the 10 degrees flaps?
Yep. The soft field for them. It's going to be pretty fast then.
St. Thomas traffic, Zulu Whiskey India is holding short of 27.
See those clouds coming pretty low, man?
Yeah, we'll keep an eye out for them.
So it's more like a...
That's why we're going to head to the west, because they're coming from the west, right? So that way at least we're heading into the weather.
Yep.
And then do you see that guy in the circuit here?
Oh yeah, I do,
He's probably going to turn base shortly, so depending on... Actually, you might be able to sneak out.
We probably would be able to sneak. Looks like he's like descending or something, maybe.
Close the window.
Sure.
St. Thomas traffic, Oscar Zulu Mike's turning base 27, St. Thomas.
Are you going to hold short or?
No, we'll squeak. St. Thomas traffic, Zulu Whiskey India is lining up 27.
Say for immediate departure so that he knows. 9:35.
Pressure and temperature happy. Airspeed alive.
Yep. 55 now.
St. Thomas traffic, Oscar Zulu Mike turning final 27.
Yeah, there's those hangars, eh?
Yeah, they're pretty beautiful. From here.
St. Thomas traffic, call, Foxtrot Tango Yankee on downwind.
Clear that way.
Oh, then we get to circuit altitude, right?
Say again?
Then we get to circuit altitude.
Yeah.
And today's climb performance isn't too bad. We're getting over 600 feet per minute.
St. Thomas traffic, Oscar Zulu Mike backtracking 27 for exit. St. Thomas traffic.
Are we getting pushed off to the left here?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are low.
What's low? Oh yeah, the clouds, yeah.
St. Thomas traffic to the Whiskey India is clear of the circuit at 1,800 feet, climbing straight out to 2,500.
Did you say clear of the circuit to the east, or did I hear it wrong?
Well, I mean, the only can be, like, I said we're climbing straight out of the circuit.
Oh, okay, sorry, my bad. I'm getting a good view of St. Thomas, you know. Every time I get the chance to look out properly.
St. Thomas traffic, Oscar Zulu Mike is off the active, St. Thomas.
A lot of people have pools in their backyard, eh? These rich kids, eh?
Alright, find me,
Let's
see, we're over top of St. Thomas, so there's some railroad tracks here.
Yep.
There's another set of old railroad tracks, so if you look on the map east, try turning it. Turn it
Yep.
like 90 degrees clockwise
sure.
there, so that you're going the same direction.
Yep, yep. So
we're between these two railroad tracks on St. Thomas.
Oh, St. Thomas is here, yeah. So here, yep.
Oh, sorry, yeah, that's what I meant.
That's where we are, yeah. Yep, we are between the two. We are actually closer to the one to our left, yeah. I see that. We're still over the town. Or we're just clearing the town, yeah.
St. Thomas, okay. So,
where do you want me to go? Do you want to take a look at the map? If you want me to take control, I could do that.
St. Thomas traffic, Cessna Golf Foxtrot Tango Yankee turning final 27, touching go St. Thomas traffic.
So you're leveled out at this time of 7:40. Took 4 minutes to climb out.
yeah, so along these railroad tracks, there's a town.
Okay.
Right below us, intersecting with a road. I'm thinking that it's Shedden.
Yeah, that's usually Shedden. Yeah. From what you just said, yeah. You gonna call clear of the zone?
Not yet.
Oh. So it's 7 miles south, right? Oh, you're getting there, yeah.
So if we're heading west along those railroad tracks, next town up should be Dutton, just south of the 401. Well, where's the 401?
401 will be up there, yeah.
Right there, okay. St. Thomas traffic, Zulu Whiskey India is clear of the area to the west at 2,000 feet and switching to on-route frequency.
I'm gonna report this to school, you're too close to the bus. Nice VFR flying, bro.
What's that?
I was just kidding that I'm gonna report this to school with those pics that you were very close to the without any separation.
It is kind of cool, like, going that.
Yeah, I mean, as long as no plane comes in out from there, you know, but yeah, we're fine, yeah.
Alright, so here's a town here. What do we have? Here, take the map. What's that town there?
Okay, wait, we're ready, let's see. So where's the 401 now? 401 should be out there. Oh, this should be Shedden, yeah.
Okay, how do you know that?
Because I have this, what is it, the railroad, sorry, where is the town again?
Right here.
Right there,
This
right, yeah,
configuration.
so the railway line is actually passing through Shedden. Yeah.
Alright, so I see railroads, and then I see a town,
Yeah, so I see two railroads, so they're actually merging through Shedden, right?
okay,
And that's where
we're south of the 401, and
Yeah.
there's a road that cuts, what is that, southwest through the town.
The road which cuts southwest through the town, yes, so that will be Highway 3, right? Okay.
So that's Shedden?
Wait a sec, man, I gotta confirm.
Look, and then to the north there's a railroad that cuts up to the 401. Is that on the map right next to Shedden?
Oh yeah, that's next to Shedden, yeah.
Okay, so it's gotta be Shedden, right?
Oh yeah, there are actually 3 railroads. Alrighty, that's what it is. Thanks.
And then if you want to even confirm it more, are there power lines where that railroad bends north of Shedden?
Yep, there certainly are, yep.
So boom, that's gotta be Shedden.
Oh yeah, so there's...
So now we're gonna keep heading on a track of west.
Oh, okay. Nice. Oh yeah, so yeah, gotta pick a few things, not just 1 or 2, yeah. That's good.
Yeah, the way I was taught is that it's a good idea to do, you find like a town or whatever the landmark is, and then 5 things around said town did I say 5? I meant 3. 3 things to confirm what it is.
Okay.
We're going west.
Yeah.
I mean, I should have put a track line on, so I think it would be better planning to have put a track line.
So from Shedden we are going out west, okay. From Shedden we are going west, but how come we are on the north side of Shedden though?
Well, because that's not, like, look at the lines of latitude, right? And look at the compass rose here.
Yeah, so the compass rose is that way, so this would be west. So we are on the north side and we're drifting away.
Here's the 401 here.
Okay.
Don't worry about what's behind us.
Right, yeah, sure. Oh yeah, we're cutting through the 401 now. Okay.
Okay, where's that intersection of the 401 where there's power lines to the north of the 401 and a railroad coming from Shedden that crosses the 401? We're right beside that right now.
Right, so what do you want me to tell you?
Power lines to the north of the 401.
Yep.
And the railroad tracks that come north. So you got to look and find something outside and then confirm it on the map, not the other way around.
Not the other way, right.
So this is what I'm talking
about. 401, you have the railway line going north of 401, and I'm looking for the power lines now. Okay, so that's also cutting through the railway line there, which we have on the map, so that, yeah, we confirm that, yep. And I need to look for this one road which goes with a bit of a squiggle, cutting across the railway line and the power lines. I'm still looking out. Oh yeah, I have it here. So yeah, it's.
I got a question.
Yep.
What's the Elmer VOR there? What is the frequency on that? 142.
142. Okay, yeah. I never used the. Oh yeah, man, you should teach me how to do this thing.
I don't know if I even know how.
Okay. Do you have to do anything here? VOX ID?
Well, it's on 114 too.
Yeah, but what about this thing here? I don't know.
Here.
Oh yeah. Bring it. Alright.
So what is that? What is that? 1011 should bring us directly to it. Losing my altitude here. What an amateur.
Just a wee bit, right? Yeah, you were still below 2,000, so maybe like...
Let's see if we'll go directly to the Elmer VOR here. That's a different kind. This is my IFR IFR navigation.
Sure.
I mean, it's good for VFR too if you ever get lost.
Yeah. That would be nice to learn, yeah, if you're getting it right. Well, buddy, congrats. You're our first pilot for Grizzly Bear Aviation. There you go. I just started the company on the 1st of July, and here we are flying on the 3rd of July.
Yeah, so what are you doing with that?
Just gonna upload videos to my YouTube channel and see if that would click. Yeah, we'll see, fingers crossed.
Very cool.
Yeah, I have a few videos from before, but I didn't actually didn't publicize it or anything. Just some friends, yeah. Only very few. I didn't have enough time to do much before. Alrighty, crossing across the 401 now. Oh, nice. Well, despite some murky clouds, it looks pretty bright and beautiful out there with some greenery around. Perks of flying in June, July, and so on. As if you could tell, I'm just yapping for the camera to record something other than, you know, flying.
Sorry, say that again?
I'm just yapping for the camera, for viewers on Grizzly Bear Aviation TV.
I kind of forgot the camera was here.
Yeah, it's here, man. Everything is on cam. Audio, visual, everything.
Alright, where are we on the map right now?
Yeah, okay, so we crossed in and we're just to the west of Shedden again, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for Fingal too, to make sure it's Shedden. Fingal would be...
And how do you know that that's Shedden?
Good question.
Use 3 things around the town and then confirm it on the map. I see, what are those? Those power lines coming from the southwest side.
Really? Power line?
Right by this road here coming over, eh? See him? We're going over him right now.
Oh, right now it's okay. Yeah, okay. So that's by the railroad. Oh, yeah.
See two roads that are 3 roads that make a triangle.
Yeah, that's there.
Are they also there?
But it's hard to spot the triangle on the map, though. But
that's fair. Okay.
Yeah, but we do have.
So then, what else is on the map that we can find?
We have the power lines going by the rail tracks. That's to confirm. But we also have. Just by the triangle, we have like an intersection of roads, which is identical to what we see below us on the map. So that's numbered. So we actually have three things now. We have the railroad, and we have power lines going parallel to the railroad. And yeah, we have the intersection of streets there, identical to what we have on the map. And other than that, yeah, I think that's pretty much safe because we're also coming in. Okay, we have the town of Fingal now coming up to our right, so that's exactly how it's on the map. So yeah, we are between Fingal and Shedden at this time, which is good.
So what heading from Shedden will get us back to St. Thomas?
That'd be about heading off. Let me see. 120, I would say. Roughly 120. Sorry, oh no, my bad, man. I was looking somewhere else. From Shedden, oh, we are actually over Fingal now. So from Fingal, I would tell you, you need about 60. Yeah. We'll give that a try. Yeah, I would say 60 or...
060?
Yeah, or between 060 and 070, I don't... I gotta... That's better one set. Yeah, about 070, actually we'll go with 070. You actually descended, right?
What's that?
Like you intentionally came down, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh man, got some barns and stuff, it's nice. Ah, that's a good golf course here, eh? Take a picture of that.
Let me see this.
Are we flying to Sparta? Is that the plan? Looks like that to me.
I believe this is Fingal here.
Come on, man. Fingal was out there.
What?
Fingal was, we were coming from Fingal.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it looks like Fingal.
Let me see.
But Fingal wouldn't have any rail lines going through.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Bro, I positively identified Fingal before. Based on the heading you had, and now that I'm seeing a rail line, this looks like Union. We are just, wait, is that Union?
There.
1267 traffic, Golf Yankee Golf is.
Did I gotta confirm this?
Thomas traffic, helicopter, Foxtrot, Sierra Quebec Delta, inbound from the east-northeast Norwich area, currently at 10 miles out, 1,800, that's St. Thomas.
Oh, this is St. Thomas, bro, come on.
Zimmer Air Service.
Yeah, we have the psych hospital,
St. Thomas, Fox, Sierra Quebec Delta.
Beautiful, yeah. Alright, time for some views for our viewers on Grizzly Bear Aviation. This is St. Thomas. Down below there you see Pinafore Lake. And yeah, it's pretty beautiful out here with some clouds. A few feet above us. Just over Pinafore Lake now. Got most of the town to the other side.
St. Thomas traffic, Golf Foxtrot, taxing from St. Thomas, place 102, Alpha Runner bearing, St. Thomas traffic.